Give it oil. How about testing its power load capacity? After joining, hovering stability is still very good. Take a spin and have a look. Still very stable. Let it fly high and far away. Take a look at the real-time aerial picture. Pixels of aerial photography. Camera supports up and down adjustment. Maximum support for quadruple zoom. Make a spin. Now we turn off the remote control. Data cable unplugged, turn off your cell phone. Test whether it can go back the same way. It supports a height of 500 meters. A distance of 10 kilometers, support one-click return. Return with low power and return automatically after losing contact. 3 return functions. See? It's coming in our direction. It supports orbiting flight. One-click takeoff. One-click short film. Now it has reached our heads. It will land automatically soon. Whether it can land in the position where we just took off. Okay, very precise. True return the same way, see if our oil leaks. Not a drop was spilled, safe and stable, worth recommending.